Welcome back to my channel. You're probably wondering why I'm on the floor. Let me show you. If you're seeing the title of this video now, you already know. I'm gonna show y'all what is under my cabinet. Plus, I am doing a organization and cleaning because it's giving spring. I don't know where to start for real. I really hope that this does not create a bigger mess, and I hope that I get this fixed. I don't know. I'm overwhelmed. How do y'all say this? Mycelial. I have some dial. These antacids, because we're getting old out here. See, stuff like this doesn't need to be there. I'll put this in the trash side. My back is already hurting. Let's do it. If you're at home and you're watching this, let's clean up together. Let's get up. We're gonna accomplish something today. I already cleaned the whole house. I will show y'all if y'all don't believe me. One moment while I get this out of here. We're gonna see how much stuff is actually in here. Okay, we're not gonna judge. Woof. We have a whole lot of everything that needs to be chunked and kept and organized. I'm gonna put medicine in one, hair stuff in another one, body stuff and soap and other things in another one. Period. I'm gonna set this over here. The hardest one is gonna be the hair bin because I like to collect products for curly hair and just anything moisturizing, deep conditioning, hydrating for sure because my hair is overly damaged. I will give y'all a story time later, but today is not the day. Anyways, let's get this hair bin done. There's nothing in here. Trash. Spray. Teeth whitening strips. Some kojic acid. Bars, if anybody would like some. This is for the other one. I'm gonna put this in the other bin. This is going to the hair bin. Pureology. I love how it smells. We have some flannel. This is a masculine smelling soap from Bath & Body Works for men, not for women. Well, I'm not gonna judge. Do what you do. But it's very masculine smelling and it is the best one out of there, in my opinion. This, I love. Forget what they say, I love it. It smells the best. I bought this from Sam's. I would say it's a waste of money. Do not get it. Please don't get it. I'm sorry. Forgive me. But don't get it. I just put these 2 baskets in here. And it's looking better already. I can't believe it. Period. We have a lot of trash. But Exhibit A, trash. Let me get this other bin. Now time for the reveal. Period. Look how much less stuff I have. That did not sound right. Look at all the stuff I have. I thought I had more, but it was all trash. Also, use this before any smell good, anything. This is the bomb. Second, this is what goes on for my smell good. This goes downstairs, period. And finally, this is your saving grace. This is what you use, just a dab, just a sprinkle. You use a sprinkle of it under your arms, between crevices, anything crevice-like. This is what keeps you smelling good. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see more content like this. Peace.